Hello everyone, let's solve question number 12 of Miscellaneous chapter 2, Maths NCERT. So we have question number 12 as tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x is equals to tan inverse of x 1 by 2 tan inverse of x where x greater than 0. So we have to solve this. Okay, let's see how it will solve. From here, checking from here, what we'll do? Can we shift this 2 to here and we can make as a 2 tan inverse x and we'll take x as a 1 minus x upon 1 plus x square. Is it so? Okay, let's try. Let's do it. So I'm shifting this 2 here, which is 2 tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, which is equals to tan inverse of x where x greater than 0. So we know one formula, which is very important formula. I already told you about this and I have mentioned a lot of times. So which is 2 tan inverse x is equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus of x square. You know that? So in this formula will be used here, and in place of x we'll write 1 minus x by 1 plus x here. Okay, so now let's do it. So 2 tan inverse, which is tan inverse, in place of x, which is 2, in place of x we'll write 1 minus of x upon 1 plus x, right? And whole divided by 1 minus, in place of x we took 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. So 1 minus x upon 1 plus x whole square. I'm doing it right? Yeah, I guess so. Let's move to next step. Yeah. Now, what will solve it is tan inverse. In the numerator, we'll write 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, right? And in denominator, take the LCM. So we'll square in the denominator 1 plus x whole square it will become, and in the above 1 minus x square, and we'll shift here. So can we write it as a 1 plus x whole square minus 1 minus x whole square whole divided upon 1 plus x whole square? Is it so? Yeah, definitely. So next, into the next step, tan inverse. Now we'll take, you know that one thing which is we have numerator a by b and c by d, so we'll shift it here. We'll shift it upward. This numerator will this denominator will become numerator here. So we'll shift this. Okay. So 2 into 1 minus x upon 1 plus x into, we'll shift this denominator and upper side 1 plus x whole square upon 1 plus x whole square minus of 1, I guess there's something issue, 1 minus x whole square. Okay. Now what we see, how can I solve this? Here we see it is square, it is only 1. So can we cut 1 from here? We will get in the denominator 1 plus x only. Okay. Now moving into the next step, what we'll get? Tan inverse. Okay. 2 1 minus of x and only 1 plus x left there. You can see. Yeah. And in the denominator, what we'll do? Yeah, we'll open this. Okay. 1 plus x whole square and 1 minus x whole square. We'll open one by one. Okay. So 1 plus x, 1 as a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. minus a square plus b square minus of 2ab. Okay, let's move further. So now tan inverse 2 into 1 minus of x square, right? And here in the denominator, we'll take 1 plus x square plus 2 of x minus taking opening the bracket, we'll get minus multiplying 1 minus 1. Here minus and plus. So minus of x square, minus into minus, which is plus of 2x. I guess there's some network issue. Let me check. Yeah, 2x. Now, what we see? Plus of x square, minus of x square. Plus 1, minus 1. Will cut. Okay. Now move on to the next step. We'll get tan inverse 2 into 1 minus of x square. 4, cut 2, 2, 4. So next tan inverse 1 minus of x square divided by 2x, right? This is not equal. This is just an arrow. Now let's see. We have what is equal to on the other side, which is tan inverse x on the other side. Here you can write, this is also arrow. Here you can write equal to tan inverse of x. Same goes with this. In every step, you have to write this is arrow, not the equal to sign. With here, you have to write tan inverse of x equal to same to the next step as well. Here, tan inverse of x equal to tan inverse of x, and here with same tan inverse of x. Can we cut this to tan inverse 1 minus x square is equals to 2x square. We'll multiply here. Okay, so shift this here. So 1 is equals to 2x square, and this will shift, it become plus of x square. So 2x square plus of x square, which is equals to 3x square, which is equals to 1. Right? Now x square is equals to 1 by 3, and x is equals to 1 upon root 3. So hence, this is the answer, 1 upon root 3. So this was the answer for question number 12. Let's move on to question number 13.